I want to say that it feels really good to be back at home. Minnesota is my home, and you are my people. You are the people who have made me to be who I am here in the United States of America. I thank you. 2016, I was here. I met people from Bomachoge. I had an extension of people from all over the country. And I called you here. I presented my manifesto that I was going to represent the people of Bomachoge, and by extension, represent the people of the diaspora. I requested for your support, and for sure, you did give me the support. I went home. I tried my very best. You know, when you send a student to school, after a specific period of time, you expect that student to give you a report card of how he or she performed. So I went home. I did my very best. Unfortunately, I was told that I was to repeat. So when I was told I'm repeating, I said I will not be ashamed. I'll come back and I'll give my people the report card. I started from Bomachoge, Chache constituency. I moved across the constituency. I told people, thank you. I went to Nairobi. I met the people in Nairobi. I told them, thank you. I went to New Jersey. I told people in New Jersey, thank you. In February, I was in Texas. I told people, thank you. And today, I'm at home. I'm telling people in Minnesota, thank you so much for standing with me. Politics is not a game for faint-hearted people. John Ondieki is here. I see my friend Jos Kenya is here. They're trying their hand in politics. Dr. Omandi is here, he has tried that in politics. Politics is not a game of faint-hearted people. Politics is a game where you find somebody hates you passionately and he doesn't even know you. Despite that, if you are not thick-hearted, you will quit. But as Rhoda said, you have to listen and you have to accept criticism. I've opted to live my life to accept criticism, both positive and negative. So as you are asking, why did Nyang'anya call us here? I call you here because I missed you. And because I missed you, I wanted to see your beautiful faces and your handsome faces here today. And I'm very happy. And if you allow me to finish my speech here, my heart will be contented because I have seen you, I've seen the people I have missed. The report card is already with you. I was told, repeat. So I thank you so much. I've been doing philanthropy work, and you guys have supported me. I need to tell you, thank you for that. I've taken computers to Bomachoge Chache constituency. Almost all schools have computers. I was not able to do it by myself. I asked and requested for your support. You gave me. I have every reason why I should say thank you. I started taking medical equipment to my constituency. I called you guys and you supported me. I've come here to tell you thank you for that. I did medical camps in my constituency. I used to call people and request for support, and you supported me. Thank you for that. It came a time that life seemed to be at a standstill in my life. I saw darkness in my life. It was so challenging that I lost my uncle. After that, I lost my sister. After that, I lost my dear grandmother. After that, I lost my son, who was so dear to me. You people, you stood with me. Some of you traveled from Minnesota, you came to Texas. I love you so much for that. My love for the people of Minnesota will never stop. It will never end. Politics aside, I love you guys so dearly. My friendship to you stands. I love you. And I came to tell you, I love you, and I thank you so much. May the good Lord bless you.
Mohamed akona ndiwe ngota mole wale brave kini Mohamed ona brave numbu yete kidogo akaro Mohamed akitara ira naona ange committee yoko organize tinye tlenyo leto ngajita ka speech akate no moye akate wanyenza kitumo ngikaikai abagira muri kiyo mugakunya I think that anyone I think this video agana kama kwa Kenya.